Alright, so as you can see, I had to make some more minor adjustments. So I had to put this 2x4 so it could stick out at least 2 to 3 inches, right? Then I'm going to attach the chimney piece on there now. And if I still need to bring it out, all I'm going to do is just take this back off, put some two more boards until I get the right length, until it's sticking out far enough for it to clear the roof. I mean, this part's clearing the roof. I put an extension inside there. I needed to put an extension in between just to connect to the chimney. All right, so we're gonna see how all that goes.